You'll just be able to see a little shiver. Wonk.
It's his first hiccup. Oh. He's like, make it stop. How do you stop hiccups in a little kid?
From what I read about them, you don't. That they're actually not as bothersome in babies as they are in people. And that they don't really hardly notice them, and you should just let them stop on their own.
Weird. That'd be driving me nuts by now.
It's a little loud sound for such a little guy.
It is.
Oh.
Well, he's definitely awake now. He's gonna want to eat again.
He seems like he might actually be trying to go back to sleep too.
Let me start. Watch out. Oh, that's so cute. We have the cutest baby.
Oh, what's that about? Are you hungry again? I think he might be hungry again.
I think you might be right. Camera people, we gotta go.